we'll talk about how can you change your phone number on your Octa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so inverse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click here on phone, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this, and here can you add new phone number here in this list. So then you just click here on OK. Then automatically here it's going to change with you here in this list on your Octa app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.